Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, the 12-piece Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set. If you're tired of scrubbing stubborn food residue and looking for a versatile set that can handle anything from a quick breakfast scramble to a slow-simmered stew, you've come to the right place. This set aims to be your all-in-one solution for everyday culinary adventures. Let's start by unpacking what this comprehensive 12-piece set actually includes. It's designed to equip you with everything you need for daily cooking. You're getting a variety of frying skillets, saucepans complete with their own matching lids, a generous stockpot, and other essential pieces. This means you're unlikely to be left wanting for the right pan when a recipe calls for it. The core promise here is convenience and functionality, designed to cover a wide range of cooking techniques like frying, boiling, sautéing, and simmering. The standout feature, and frankly the star of the show, is the ceramic non-stick interior. This isn't just any non-stick coating. Ceramic is often praised for its smooth surface that encourages food to release with minimal effort. This is a game changer for anyone who dreads the post-meal cleanup. Imagine effortlessly sliding a perfectly cooked omelette out of the pan or watching leftover sauce rinse away with just a gentle wipe. It also paves the way for healthier cooking, as a good non-stick surface allows you to use less oil or butter, a definite plus for those mindful of their dietary intake. Versatility is another key selling point. This cookware set is engineered to be all cooktop compatible. That means whether you have a gas, electric, or glass stovetop, these pans will work seamlessly. This broad compatibility is incredibly important, especially if you're moving house or have a mixed appliance setup. It removes a potential barrier to purchase and ensures that no matter your current kitchen configuration, you can integrate this set without any issues. Beyond the stovetop, the oven-safe construction adds another layer of culinary possibility. You can start your dish on the burner and then transfer the entire pan to the oven to finish cooking, braising, or browning. This ability to transition from stovetop to oven is a hallmark of high-quality cookware and significantly streamlines the cooking process, especially for dishes that require multi-stage preparation. It opens up opportunities for baking, roasting, and achieving that perfect crispy finish without needing to transfer food between different dishes. Durability and ease of cleaning are closely tied to the non-stick performance. The advertised resistance to sticking means that even challenging foods like eggs, sticky sauces, or caramel can be cooked and then easily washed away. This is a significant factor in the long-term satisfaction with any cookware. No one wants pans that lose their non-stick properties after a few uses or require extensive scrubbing. The promise here is that these pans will maintain their performance and remain easy to clean over time, making them a truly practical choice for everyday meal preparation. Now, let's talk about who this set is really for. It's presented as a great choice for families, individuals living in apartments, or anyone who simply wants a reliable and versatile set for their daily meals. The comprehensive nature of the 12 pieces means it can cater to a variety of needs, from single servings to family-sized portions. If you're just starting out in your own place, upgrading from a very basic set, or looking to consolidate your cookware into something more efficient and easier to maintain, this set appears to tick a lot of those boxes. Considering the pros, the extensive 12-piece collection offers excellent value, providing a pan for almost every cooking task. The ceramic non-stick coating promises effortless food release and easy cleanup, which is a major draw for busy home cooks. The all-cooktop compatibility and oven-safe design contribute to its versatility, making it adaptable to different kitchens and cooking methods. The durability and easy-to-clean features suggest a long lifespan and minimal frustration during meal prep and cleanup. However, no product is perfect, and we should consider potential drawbacks. While ceramic non-stick is generally lauded, its long-term scratch resistance compared to some other non-stick technologies can sometimes be a concern. It's important to use appropriate utensils, like silicone or wood, to preserve the coating. Also, the oven-safe temperature limit, while not specified here, is usually moderate for ceramic non-stick cookware, so it might not be suitable for extremely high-temperature roasting. Finally, for truly professional chefs or those who cook for very large gatherings regularly, the material and construction might not meet the demands of heavy-duty, professional-grade use. In conclusion, this 12-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set from Homepan TriPro appears to be a compelling option for the average home cook. It offers a comprehensive selection of pots and pans, boasts a user-friendly non-stick surface, and provides the flexibility of all cooktop compatibility and oven use. If you're seeking a practical, easy-to-manage, and versatile cookware solution for your kitchen, this set is definitely worth considering for its blend of functionality and convenience. Link in the description.